All right, friends, so we are going to do a couple pens, and we're going to apply the glitter and seal it with the puzzle saver, and we're going to see how it does on pens. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do a green and a blue. This little guy here to just sort of give me something to hold on. I'm just going to take my little pens apart here. Now, I am doing glitter colors that are associated, you know, with the same color as the tube. So I will not, I won't need to paint them. So these are the gel pens that are made for putting glitter on from Hobby Lobby. Let me just show you the pack. So, jeepers. This is the pack of colored pens. There's 12 in it, and they're $9.99. So this is a really good price for pens. All right, so I'm going to start with the blue. Just like to take a piece of tape and make it so that it doesn't slide down. So I'm going to be using, this is glitter I've had for a long time. It's Martha Stewart, and this one is called Blue Raspberry. And, you know, I use the glitter chimp all the time, but this Martha Stewart was my first favorite. All right, and I'm going to just, you know, put a little up on there, and I'm going to use my finger and just spread it out. Now I feel like because this product is so thin and lightweight, like I feel like it's going to be really good for pens. All right, my glitter coverage is really nice and even, and totally good coverage. All right, now on this one, I'm using OD Green by Glitter Chimp. All right, again, nice, even, like really good glitter coverage, and we'll just let that dry. So here are our pens. Oh yeah, this is good. Not really any fallout on it. Nice and flat. Okay, so now we're going to do a little sealing with it. And we'll see how that goes. We'll see how many like layers we need. I like this little applicator that they have in here for these pens, because like the shape of it, it's so easy to just like get just a little bit on your pen. Yeah, no fallout really on that one either. All right, so we'll let these dry. They don't take too long, and then we'll come back and see if we need another coat or anything on them. If these work out well, like not only is this nice as like a money saver, it's very light, easy to do, but also like this is nice because you can feel comfortable letting your kids do them. You know what I mean? Like I personally am not comfortable like with epoxy and UV resin and stuff around kids. So I think this would be fine for that. All right, we'll be back when they dry and see if we need another layer or not. Let's see. Oh, that's really nice. Now, if I wanted, this is only one coat on there. If I wanted, I could definitely put more. But look at this. It's so, and it's thin. Like it doesn't, it's not heavy. I like how I don't have like the little fat booties at the end of these. And I could definitely, you know, I mean, I could put as many coats on here as I want. The one thing I do like with this is that I mean, this is something that you could do with your kids and let them make some pens and then not have to worry. You know what I mean? Just scratch off whatever little excesses there. Perfect. So it's good. I mean, again, this isn't super, super smooth. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not super smooth. But this is only one little coat on it. And it dries so quickly. Like, I could honestly, you know, put a couple. I wouldn't do them too thick, you know, just thin. You could do a couple, you know, until you have it. But this is fine too. And there we go. So can you use the Dollar Tree puzzle sealer to seal glitter on pens? You absolutely can. And because you don't really need to put it on like a spinner and different stuff, like really if you wanted to let your kids do some fun projects and, you know, make them for their friends, you could buy some inexpensive, you know, Dollar Tree pens even. But even these that I showed you from, that are made for this from Hobby Lobby, not expensive at all. So, yeah, super fun. All right, well, listen, I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you guys like it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. And yeah, these turned out great. I'm going to be using them. See you later, friends. Bye.